Hello everyone, this is Vikram Sukhadia. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a video to just introduce all the DJI gadgets. So here is my first device which I bought in December 2020, DJI OM 5 Gimbal stabilizer. It's very handy, very useful. Now I'll tell you about the 3 devices which I bought in last 20 days. And let's talk about the first device. For an excellent video, it is very important to have good voice output. Yes. Therefore, I bought this DJI Mic Mini. If you can see, I have this mic here. जो भी मैं voice record कर रहा हूँ इसी के through हो रहा है. It comes with 2 Mic Mini devices and 1 transmitter. Now let's jump to the next device. It is going to be my partner for videos, for traveling, for adventurous things. Yes, it's a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Yes, here it is. It's very compact, very handy. It gives a 4K video output, comes with solid stabilization, and it is waterproof. Since it is very compact, so it is very easy to use anywhere. अगर आप crowded place पे हो तो simply इसको निकालो, on करो और set करो. Since I bought adventure combo, so I got 2 additional battery with this charging case. Yes, I'm in love with this device. Yes, exactly. Now let's come to the big daddy of all the devices. Yes, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, star of my kit. Yes, this drone will take my cinematics to the next level with the stunning aerial shots. Yes, it's a lightweight, powerful, packed with the features. Comes with 2 extra batteries. So these are the DJI gadgets which I will be using to level up my content. I will test these devices and will show you some sample footage. If you are excited for that, please like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel and show your love. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much.